How to fix WhatsApp message ringtone. In this video we will talk about how to fix this problem on your WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go to settings of your phone and go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for WhatsApp, and when you find WhatsApp you have to go to permissions here, and now you have to go to phone and you have to allow it like this, and then as you see you have to go back and click on storage. Click now on clear data and click here on force stop, and that's it, your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you.